Rando here, and tonight, we want to talk about dessert. Now, I don't know about you, but after a nice barbecue, maybe I want a piece of pie. Maybe I want a scoop of ice cream. Or maybe I want a slice of cake. And we're talking piece of cake fountain, baby. And look who it's from. Fire Factory Fireworks. Oh, yeah. Now, you have to admit, this is pretty cool. Cool. And showers of sparks. Now, watch this. I'm going to turn it around. Here we go. And here's the performance. Now, that is a lot of stuff. So I'll give you guys a moment there. You got strobes. You got beautiful effects. Oh, my God. Glittering gold. Silver fishes. What's better than a piece of cake? And you can see here, 200 gram, 60 seconds. Loudness, now, 1 out of 10, I'll take it. This way other people on the ranch don't get upset. Here we go. And it goes up vertical and medium. So let's give it a shot and let's see what's happening, okay? Barbecue! We're going to head over and let's go have a piece of cake over at the launch pad. We're right there. All right. So, hey, listen, I got my piece of cake on the launch pad. Let's give it a shot here. There we go. That's some hot cake. Oh. Holy